Make your desserts more delicious with this simple chocolate sauce. With very few ingredients, you will have half a cup of unsalted cocoa. You will use 1 cup of sugar. And this is a very good trick to get rid of all the lumps in your cocoa. Just mix it all together, sugar and the cocoa. Because if you put this together with hot water or sugar, you will have a very, very lumpy mixture. This way, the cocoa will be nice and smooth. All right, you add that to your saucepan. Just a small saucepan is fine. And you will need half a cup of cold water. There we go. And leave it on the stove until it comes to a boil. Turn it off. Let it simmer by itself for a few minutes, and then you will add your salt and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. You will have this really yummy chocolate sauce. Pour it on bananas with granola. And if this is for me, I will have pieces of waffle on top and raisins, and then I will pour the chocolate sauce on top. There. Now it's a perfect dessert.